So one Sunday morning, I woke up and had a craving to eat some momos. So I quickly brushed my teeth, took a bath, quickly changed clothes, and was about to pick the keys of my bike to go eat some momos. But then, and as we all know, in an hour's time, Mumbai was flooded. Neither Zomato, Swiggy, or Uber Eats was able to deliver these momos to my place. There are such times when I wish that we had some ready to steam momos available right in my refrigerator, which I could just take out and steam them up. So let's get them steamed up. And also, these momos are purely vegetarian. So Neha Aunty, this one's for you. Hey guys, ready to steam momos right out of the refrigerator by a company named Steam Up. The first one, mixed veg momos for ₹99. There are 8 of these in one packet. It has a rich filling of carrots, cabbage, onions, kind of seasoning with pepper, garlic. One thing which I loved about these momos, the white flour or the maida covering which these have are pretty thin. Cheese corn momos, 8 pieces with 120 rupees only. Cheese, corn, bell peppers and spring onion, a lot of seasoning. Paneer tikka momos for 120 rupees. It's getting hot. The pan's off. A lot of Indian spices, paneer, some veggies. Now coming to the dessert. The dessert momos. It's got a lot of chocolate, coconut, dry fruits. Not dry fruits, it's got peanuts. So definitely a 10 out of 10 on 120 rupees. Amazing product. Love the concept of having refrigerated momos right in a fridge, which you could just take out, steam them and eat it up, especially when it's raining cats and dogs outside. People are gonna love the concept. That's all from my side for today. Eat well, sleep well. Signing off. It's Panda.